How to fix Instagram music is not working on your iPhone. So if you're trying to add a song to your Instagram story or reel, and either you can't find the song or it's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. So first, just go and head over to your Instagram profile page and click on the settings bar in the top right hand side. Now press Account Center and click on Connected Experiences. Now select Sharing Across Profiles and go and select your Instagram account. Now down at the bottom you'll see Automatically Share. Make sure all of these options are turned off. Sometimes if you try sharing the post to Facebook, then the music will be restricted due to certain copyright issues. Now once you've done this, you'll need to head back over to the main settings page, and this time we're going to scroll down to Account Type and Tools. Now click on Account Type and click on Switch Account Type. Now, if you're currently using a business or a professional Instagram account, you'll need to switch this back to a personal account first. So I'm going to press Switch to Personal Account, and this is often the main reason why your music is not showing or working. So you can now head back over to your Instagram profile and try uploading a story. You can then click on the Music tab, and you should now be able to go and search for the song you want to add into this story. Now just bear in mind that some songs may not be available due to copyright issues, and that's how to fix the Instagram music not working on your iPhone.